Hello, this is the screencast for Caesar, Book 5, Chapter 48. In this chapter, Caesar talks about how he was able to inform Cicero and his camp with the help of a Gaul that Caesar was going to be able to come and help them out. So let's get into it. So we have Caesar with his plan having been approved, ablative absolute there. Although Caesar dejected in his expectation of 3 legions, he came back to 2. However, he placed his one hope or help or remedy. He placed his one, help in the common safety in speed. When he came to the boundaries of the Nervi, by great marches, there he learned from the captives what was being waged among Cicero and his camp, and in how much danger was the thing or was the situation. Then Caesar, persuaded a certain person from the Gallic horsemen with great rewards to bring a letter to Cicero. He sent this, and then the letter is implied. So he sent this letter in Greek letters, and then we have this ne here, and that's going to come in down here. So so that if the letter having been intercepted, our plans might not be learned by the enemies. So they're writing in Greek. I mean, it's pretty clear, but just what this is saying here is that they wrote the letter in Greek so that their enemies were not actually able to understand their plans or their tactics, whatever Caesar was actually trying to relay across to Cicero. See if he, and this is referring to the Gaul. So if he could not approach, Caesar advised him to throw the spear into the fortifications of the camp, with the letter having been tied or fastened to the leather strap. On or in the letter, he wrote that he, having set out with his legions, would arrive quickly. And then this also, this is referring to Cicero. So it's Caesar urged that Cicero retains his bold courage. The Gaul feared danger. As he was instructed, he sent, or it'd probably make more sense here to just say he threw the spear. This, and then this is referring to Chagalon, the spear. This spear, by chance, stuck to the turret. Um, with uh, the with it not being noticed or not being seen by our guys for 2 days. On the third day, it was seen by a certain soldier. Um, and the taken down spear or the taken down letter was taken to Cicero. That guy, and this is Cicero, recites the letter or the thoroughly read letter in a meeting of the soldiers and made everyone with great joy. Then the smoke of fires was seen from far away, which which matter um, drove away uh, all doubts of the arrival of the legion. So that is Caesar, Book 5, Chapter 48. Thanks for tuning in. Bang Bang Style.